Politiki nabezomthetho bathula ingathi abekho bathula ingathi akwenzekanga lutho. Elesibili iphuzu sizofunda njengoba linjalo mhlawumbe bese siyawuphela nalethi. Crime report states that there are about 3.8 million unregistered illegal firearms in circulation in South Africa between countries like Mozambique and Zimbabwe. Sinebhame nengakhulu ezingekho registered esezikhona namhlanje ezweni zilinganisela ku 3.8 wenkulungwane ayiregisterwe indawo lezo ibhame. Elesithathu iphuzu lithi as South African people we want to ensure through justice system that all gun running illegal foreigners are urgently detained and investigated under section 34.1 of the Immigration Act and brought before a court within 48 hours of arrest without any delay. Sicela ukuthi ke bonke labantu bokufika asebe nomkhuba wokuthi uma ngabe kunenkinga ezikhona babrandishe ibhamu zempi. Sicela ukuthi justice system idlale indima yayo ngokuthi lezo ibhamu sinayiqoqo ngokukhulu ukuphuthuma labo bantu fanele babe brought into books within 48 hours. Since the advent of democracy dating back to 1994, South Africa is still facing a myriad of crises. The unemployment rate in South Africa has reached an alarming height, with women and young people disproportionately affected. The government has consistently failed the young people, or the government of South Africa has consistently failed creating meaningful job opportunities that are in line with growing population in job market. Companies that employ undocumented foreign nationals occupying semi-skilled labor position should be fined exorbitantly as deterrent to cheap labor. Sithi-ke siwumkhonto wesizwe party izinga lentswelo ngqesho lokungasebenzi kwentsha seliphezulu ngendlela yokuthi sifuna umthetho wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi zonke le nkampani zonxiwa zabelungu namandiya ezinkulu eziqasha abantu bangaphandle ayichargwe zifaywe exorbitantly because lezo inkampani lezo zilanda abantu bangaphandle njengaphandle kokulandela imithetho egunyaza ukuthi abantu bazosebenza ezweni. Le mithetho lena occupy abantu bangaphandle ifakwa ngaphansi kwema-semi-skilled labor position. Okuchaza ukuthi kufanele uma uze eSouth Africa uzosebenza iba neska-skill. I-skill abantu base-South Africa abangenazo. Awukwazi ukuzogunda indwele la, awukwazi ukusuka lela usuka khona uzokhulula iy'ngane ngathi ukuthi abantu besifazane eSouth Africa ngeke bakwazi ukwenza lokho. Awukwazi ukusuka la usuka khona uzopholisha iy'cathulo eSouth Africa uzosibhoyela amaqanda. Le nto lena eyenzaka eSouth Africa asikaze sibone ndawo, sikale ukuyibona eSouth Africa ngabo labaphathi abakhona. Sidlulele phambili. The energy crisis has compounded the dwarfist economic growth exacerbated joblessness and homelessness in our country. Once employed citizens have been retrenched and thrown to a pool of unemployed as companies close their doors under liquidation or as they migrate to other countries with wealthy economic growth. The most to suffer under this guise is the marginalized black person. Loss of personal items from energy crisis as forceful currents cause damage to electrical appliances, reconnection after outages. Inkinga kacimicimi yokuphela kukagesi ezweni iholele ekutheni iy'nkampani ey'nkulu ezingama-investors ezweni ey'qasha abantu abaningi zigcine zilimala zilinyazwa ukuthi ngeke isakwazi ukuqhubeka isebenze ngendlela efanele ngabe isebenza ngayo ngenxa yogesi ocima njalo. Production yabo iyawa bagcine beretrench abantu bagcine bebadiliza abantu. Labo bantu kuma bebadiliza bangena kulayini omude wabantu abangasebenzi eSouth Africa. Leyo nto ke ayemukelekile ngani ngoba asikwazi ukuba ne-crisis ekhandwa ugovernment bese siyathula nje kube ngathi akwenzekanga lutho lokho. Labantu abaningi abangasebenzi bayisizathu sokuthi ugovernment oholwa yi-GNU uyahluleka ukumanage izwe ngendlela efanele ngabe ulimanage ngayo. So ngingakho siwumkhonto wesizwe party sila sizolungisa leyo nto yokuthi izinto ayilungise njengoba siyichaza la emaphepheni. Elesihlanu iphuzu lithi crimes have risen exponentially as criminals flourish in the dark with rampant house breaks and carjacking in the moment of darkness. Business stop operation and employees get laid off by their employers during power outages as they do not get compensated for the downtime. The reality is income loss and stagnates, even further diminishes economic growth. Price fixing of coal and electricity infrastructure have been major cause. Follow-up on these economic crimes is required and all perpetrators brought to book as per various commissions, including the competition code that have cited them. Esikushoyo nje lana bafowethu ukuthi ukulimala komnotho kubukeka kuyinto ehlelekile ngoba ngalesikhathi kucima ugesi inkampani eziningi ziyalimala and le nto leyo istagnate umnotho. Umnotho ngalesikhathi wehliswa nawo ukuthi kunenkampani zonxiwa abamhlophe abadayisela uEskom amalahle ngemali ezizumbulu ngoba labo nxiwa laba abasupply amalahle kuEskom inhloso zabo akubona ukuthi babona uEskom usebenza uphila uprovide ugesi kubantu base South Africa kodwa ukuthi bona uEskom awucollapse ukuze bezowuqosha ungaselutho bese bewusebenzisa njengethuluzi labo lokwenza inzuzo. Le nto siyayibona ibe itholwe la i-competition commission yase South Africa yakuthola lokho ukuthi ukuba ko-Eskom ney'nkampani kahulumeni kuyinto lehleliwe lelo, yinto lezombusazwe, hayi ngoba siziphuphuku sizidinidini singakwazi ukubona into engale, kodwa siyabona ukuthi kuneculo lokuwisa uhulumeni ukuze uhulumeni ugcine ungenayo indlela yokuthi ukusebenzisa abantu base South Africa. In 2023, poverty in South Africa was estimated at 62.6%, where a number of households live below the poverty line. Majority of households are dependent on social grants. For survival, with less than 700 rand a month on average, the quality of life is compromised to bad. South Africa has some of the highest levels of inequality. Laba babalayo beyibalo baveze kwilaskota ukuthi izinga lokusweleka kwemisebenzi eSouth Africa njengamanje ligcine lima ku-62.6%. I-crisis ke leyo bamasosha uma ezweni sizoba nensolongqesho efika ku-60.2%. Leyo nto eyakhiwa ngamabomu ngenxa yokuthi ingqalasizinda yezwe iyalinyazwa and abaphethe uhulumeni esikhundleni sokuthi bakhe amathuba ukuthi izwe lisebenze bona baqhubeka bakhanda ubugebengu bakhanda ubushophe badla imali okuholele ekutheni abantu abaningi bagcine sebephila kuma-social grants. Abantu abaningi manje baphephela olayini bama-social grants because uhulumeni awufunction ngendlela ofanele ngabufunctiona ngayo. Recent findings of pesticides in processed foods, especially snacks, show how flawed South African environmental policies are. Deaths and unexplained illnesses have occurred because of toxic substances used in illicit food manufacturing by illegal foreigners who have since found a market in townships targeting poor South African citizens. How many children must die? How many children must die before this government knows that we are in a deep crisis? Why is the livelihood of mamas selling at schools taken away, as this has been a long-standing source of their income for them? Social solidarity economy should be ring-fenced for South African citizens only. Development sustainability. Stringent processes of granting permits to non-South African businesses and no permissions to trade for asylum seekers and illegal migrants must be implemented. Njengamanje la sithi umnotho wesibili noma i-social solidarity economy noma phecelezi lokhu esikwazi ngokuthi i-informal economy akuringfensela abantu base-South Africa kuphela. Miningi imithetho esingakhotha kuyona. I-ILO iyakhuluma ngalokho. Amazwe amaningi e-Afrika ngeke nje umuntu wase-South Africa uwela umngcele uhambe uye Uganda uthi uyogunda indwele khona. Bokuxosha ekuseni bopha ekuseni bakufake eseleni. Nala e-South Africa sithi into enjalo ayenziwe ngoba lo mnotho ongahlelekile uyi-safety net. Ila khona abantu base-South Africa kufanele baphephe khona ngoba uma ngabe umuntu wase-South Africa ungakwazanga ukufika kuma-ticket uyakwazi ukuyozama lapha ku-informal economy. Uma ufunde wagogoda waye-university waye-graduate kodwa wangawuthola umsebenzi uyakwazi ukuphinde uzozama la. uma ngabe wadilizwa emsebenzini wakade usebenza enkampanini enkulu bakuretrench bakunika ipackage abantu abaningi bathi ngoba sinama-bills siyakhokha sikhokhela ogesi sikhokhela yonke into ngeke ngiyohlala ekhaya ngoba sengidiliziwe emsebenzini baye bathatha impesheni yabo bazoqala amabhizinisi amancane. So lo mnotho esikhuluma ngawo ngendlela obaluleke ngawo iwona i-foundation yesizwe. Asikwazi ukuba no-president sibe nosopolitiki abacabanga ukuthi lo mnotho umnotho nje kufanele uphatheke isinoma kanjani uqhamuke eLittle Dick and Harry lapho eqhamuka khona bazokwenza ama-tuck shop bazovunda iy'nwele benze yonke lento efanele ngabe yenziwa abantu base-South Africa. Sizothi-ke thina sizoyivala la inkantolo lento sicela mphathiswa ngifuna ubatshele ikhulu lapho ukuthi i-constitution iyavumela umkhonto wesizwe phansi ukuthi lesimo singalungiseka. Even ne-Immigration Act 13 enayo ibheda injalo idinga ukulungiswa injalo kodwa iyayichaza ezinye zezinto ukuthi kufanele ngabe ziyenzeka ukube kuthiwa umthetho uya-implementa ngendlela. Nayo le-Immigration Act eproposwayo okuyiyona ezovala imisansa nama-loophole ekade iphushwa ubaba u-Aaron Motsoaledi sifuna ngokukhulu ukushesha igoqiwe ngoba iyona singasisize izwe ukuze kuphume kule nkinga esibhekene nayo yabantu abafika ubusuku nemini bafika bengekho documented bafike la ngaphakathi ingaziwa bezokwenzani bese bethi osomabhizinisi bafika befaka ophaqa badayisela ingane ama-drugs baxwayizisa abantu besifazane. Uma ngabe sebekwasha leyo mali bavula amashaluni bavula amabhotiki ngemali yobugebengu ababenza ezweni. Sisayivaleka-ke leyo nto leyo izwe engenamthetho bafice kwamakhanga ama-officials ethatha ama-bribe esikhundleni sokuthi ngaba-implement umthetho. Sizoyivala-ke leyo nto namhlanje. When trying to highlight the dangers of uncontrolled immigration and unethical trading by foreign nationals in South Africa, one is labeled as xenophobic. The government has not made any effort to deal with legitimate concerns and deport wrongdoers. All is doomed as xenophobic violence, yet it is a cry for help by South African citizens. Government has not improved the protection of legitimate migrants by eliminating illegal undocumented foreigners. Deported illegal immigrants returning to South Africa should receive harsh sentences and deportation. Costs must be for their countries of origin. Harsh sentences must be imposed on immigration officials who collude with smugglers and illegal immigrants. Vetting and lifestyle audit must be mandatory for Home Affairs employees regardless of their post. Sithi sikhathele izikhulu zikahulumeni ezikhohlakele ezithatha ama-bribe namantshontsho kwa-Home Affairs nemaphoyiseni nayo yonke iminyango kahulumeni edila nalo daba ngoba inkinga ekhona ukuthi abantu base-South Africa uma belwa nalesihlava bayaye bathukwe babizwe ngokuthi ba-xenophobic. Kodwa angikhumbuli kukhona oseke waba ngumsindo wathi akukhuzwe uDonald Trump e-America osanda kuthi umhlanganiso wesibili okubeke kwacaca ukuthi akabafundi abantu bangaphandle abazo-interferisha nezwe lase-America bengangenanga ngendlela. Ube kumnqamla juqu wokuthi ubanike u-30 days uzothuma amaphoyisa akhe ukuthi uma ebona umuntu wangaphandle ehamba emgaqweni yakhona bazoboshwa bavalelwe bafayilwe lozoke abuyele futhi khona bazomfaka esyanjeni bazomunywa. So nase-Britain abelungu kade belwa bebhilisha laphayana beshaya abantu akade abafudukayo kuleliya lizwe. Akekho sewake wathi iBritain i-xenophobic. Kodwa uma kuyi-South Africa edila nale yinkinga amaphepha uhulumeni wonke umuntu bakhomba ama-NGOs bakhomba abantu base-South Africa ngenjumbane bababize nge-xenophobe. Sizongcwaba-ke lelo gama esizokwenza kusukela namhlanje kuya phambili ukudila nalesihlava sizobe singekho xenophobic. Into efanele yenzeke amaphoyisa sicela nisebenzisane nathi nisondele eduze sihlale phansi sihlele lezinto etafuleni ngoba le nto yokuthi sibe namaphoyisa angakwazi ukuhlala imihlangano nenhlaka ezifana nenhlaka zomphakathi kanje bese sihlangana kuma-battlefield kuma-battleground la sithi thina silungisa khona iy'nkinga iyona nto leyo futhi ezokwenza ukuthi izwe lingalawuleki. Kanti thina into esiyishoyo sithi